Hi guys, and welcome to Lily's Dollhouse. Today I will be unboxing and reviewing this Barbie hammock. I found this for $13 at Walmart, but you can also find it on Amazon, and I will put a link in the description below. This Barbie hammock comes with a little white kitty, a multicolored pattern for the hammock, 2 supports, an ice bucket, a lemonade pitcher, and a glass with a lemon slice. On the back, you can see a picture with Barbie laying on the hammock with the white kitty on her arm, holding the glass of lemonade, the ice bucket beside her with the lemonade pitcher on top. You can also see other sets that they have in this series right here. And you can combine them, as you can see up here. Alright, let's take it out of the box. Okay, so here's the hammock completed and ready. There was some light assembly required. I had to put these 2 large pieces together right here, and these 2 small pieces fit inside of this large piece. Then the hammock just hangs from these 2 little hooks right here and here. The fabric is nice and thick, and it feels soft. Little white kitty, looks like he's sleeping. Here is the ice bucket right here. Has the juice pitcher, and the top has 2 cup holders where you can put the glass as well as the juice pitcher so they don't fall. Alright, let's put Barbie into the scene. And here is Barbie in the hammock. I did have a little bit of trouble getting her to lay properly in the hammock as it does move. But overall, I think this is an adorable addition to Barbie's home and perfect for her to lounge in on a hot day. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and review of Barbie Hammock. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. For more content just like this, please like and subscribe. Bye for now.